everybody, Miss Wendy here. Welcome to another Kids Craft. Now it is just about fall, so today let's make a fall themed craft. All you need for this is 4 pipe cleaners and a bunch of beads. Okay, first things first, you're going to take your 4 pipe cleaners, line them up as even as you can, and just twist them right in the middle. Okay, once you've done that, spread them out into something of a star shape, like so. There you go. Okay, and then start putting beads on. You're going to need about 15 beads on each little leg there. So just slide them on like so. If you want to lay out your own pattern beforehand, you can. My beads that I have, I just got some fall colors here. I've got some white, some red, some yellow, and some orange. I'm just going to put them on. I'm not going to worry about making a pattern. Just slide them all on. About 15 per arm. As you can see, I don't really have a pattern going on mine. I'm just kind of putting them down as the feeling takes me. So, just about done here. And you can use other color beads if you like. I just like my fall colors. I'm going to put an orange there. There we go. And one more. Alright, so now that we have all of our arms finished, we're going to bring them all up to the middle. Gather them up like so. And just take the ends and twist them together. You adjust a little bit. There. And just give them a little twist like that. Okay? Then just spread out the edges like so for your husk. And there you have some harvest corn. Alright, and there you have it. You can make a couple of these and make like a nice little bundle of them. I usually see like 3 of them together or something like that. You can experiment with the colors. Purple might be nice to put in there, or some brown. You can use different pipe cleaners as well. You might use a tan or a green. That's up to you. So, hope you enjoyed making this craft, and we will see you next time. Happy fall!